When you want to send picture on Messenger, you can see this error, unable to load camera roll. In this video, I show you how to fix unable to load camera roll problem. For fixing this problem, first of all, check that your Messenger app is up to date or not. For checking this, go to Play Store, search Messenger, up to date your Messenger app. If available, update. Now go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search for Messenger, click on Messenger, click on force stop, click on OK. Now click on storage and cache, clear storage, then delete. Now click on permission, enable photos and videos permission, music and audio, microphone, camera. Now open Messenger. Now log into your account. Not now. Not now. Now click on any message and click on gallery. Now I hope that this method fixed unable to camera roll problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.